how to create company in Zoho Books. To create a company in Zoho Books, start by logging in at books.zoho.com with your Zoho account. Once you're inside, click on your organization name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select plus Create Organization. This will begin the process of setting up your new company. You'll be prompted to enter your company's name, country, time zone, base currency, preferred language, and financial year start. There's also an optional field to specify your industry type. After that, add your company's contact information, like the business address, phone number, and email. These details will be used on invoices and reports. If your company requires tax setup, like GST or VAT, Zoho will allow you to configure it during this step, depending on your country. You can also skip this and return to it later. Click Save and Continue, and Zoho will create the company and take you to its new dashboard. From here, you can start customizing everything by going into Settings, Preferences, where you can adjust invoice templates, branding, automation rules, and more.